Have breakfast before our morning boat trip. We're doing tour A in El Nido.
And it's cost basically like 24 quid a go.
Yeah, £24, 1,600 pesos each. So we'll show you how it goes. Hey, we're finally back in the tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
Just waiting for our boat. We got up very early, so early, at about 7:30. And now we're waiting here for an hour, and we could have had an hour in bed. Oh, finally we're off. I love a nice quiet beach.
Seven Commandos Beach, put over there.
Commando.
Oh yeah, I thought you said Commands.
And supposedly it got its name from 7 commandos, Japanese and American, that got stranded here after World War II. But people aren't sure if it's true or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably say that it's not.
We'll fact check it and put it here if it's true.
I really wanted to just skim a stone then, but I think I might hit somebody. How do I get this up? Oh, there we go.
Just taking my photos.
So the original plan was we're going to come here, take some photos, go back to the boat and fly the drone. Boat's buggered off. Because there's only a certain size docking bay.
Why do they call it a docking?
Docking beach.
The water's really clear, look how clear the water is.
Yeah, it's very clear.
The water's clear about on the docking bit.
Yeah, because nobody's swimming there.
And there's loads of rocks and stones where you can swim. Hence why they're probably docking on this part of the beach.
Selfish. Oh, that's deep. there were jellyfishes. There was something in there stinging us, but...
Well, I mean, we've so many shots of you guys, haven't we? It was literally there, it was like, hi.
And then gone.
I'd just been kicking my legs quite viciously and I'm sure it attracted it.
Floundering in the water, like prey.
Yung bag.
Ma'am, it's my bag. Also water. And your bag.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is our lunch spot for today's boat trip. I think. Maybe. Maybe that's better. Oh, I just fell in a hole. Love that.
Okay guys, good fish with egg, fried shrimp fish with egg, and garlic shrimp, eggplant salad, cucumber salad.
Experiment for the day.
Watch these ladies go. Is that ridiculous?
So this is our fourth stop. That's three, that's four. And this is the Secret Lagoon. We're not sure what it looks like yet. You do need some swim shoes because you have to walk over some rocks. Very busy. The Secret Lagoon.
And now we've just come in and then we're going to join the queue to get back out again.
English simulator, queuing.
We're stuck in here.
you've got to rent a kayak. I don't think you can go without a kayak, and the kayaks are like 300 pesos. So
Honestly, we could do it if we were bothered.
we're going to give it a miss, and we're going to fly the drone, I think, instead, but everyone's on top of the boat.
Well, that was definitely worth it for 1,600 pesos.
Yeah. It's worth it for the drone shots alone.
Definitely. And you saw a shark.
Yes, and I saw a shark. Which I'm really proud of that spot. I've decided now, instead of looking actually down at the coral, if you look slightly up, you see bigger animals. Because I would never have seen that shark if I was looking down at the coral. Never in a million years.
Beautiful, isn't it? Who put that there? Look at all the kids in the sea.
Oh no, it works.
Yeah. I know, but if I didn't follow you, it'd just...
So we're heading back into town to get some food. Oh, got a headache again. Surprise, surprise. So yeah, our tour included, well, our hotel gave us towels. It included lunch again, as you saw.
Our hotel dropped us off and picked us up, although you can get cheaper tours from in the town.
Yeah, we paid like 1,600, but we've seen it for 1,200 in the town, but I kind of thought, well,
we'd have to walk down here in the morning.
Yeah, we got picked up and dropped off, and we got towels and a couple of other bits and bobs, so I wasn't going to argue, I couldn't be bothered. But still, it's still not a lot. That's still like 24, 25 quid for the whole day each. We didn't end up going in the Big Lagoon. I know I mentioned it earlier. You had to get a kayak in, and the kayaks were like 300 pesos, which isn't a lot, but we couldn't really be bothered to kayak all the way down. But Joe got some really good drone shots, which I'm sure you've already seen in this video.
More than likely. We'll put them here again now anyway.
Yeah, they were beautiful drone shots, so we saw more from the sky with the drone, I think.
There were quite a few people with drones.
Yeah, there was loads of people with drones. I can see why though. If not, we've not really got a plan for tomorrow. There's some nice beaches on the other side, which apparently you can walk to. So we'll see. We shall see. But all in all, that was tour A, and I would suggest to do that one.
Definitely recommend it, yeah.
Yeah, that was a nice mix of lagoons and beaches, and a nice little bit of snorkeling where, I'll say again, I saw a shark. No one else saw it though, so no one believes me, but I did see a shark. A lot of people are shocked, I think. Sorry, I'm holding this GoPro wig, so I'm holding my phone. A lot of people are shocked when they come to El Nido because they don't expect it to be how it is. As in, like, it is a beach town, but the beach isn't like a relaxing beach. But yeah, it's built up, but also not really built up. little town though. I can see why a lot of tourists come here.
It's got an atmosphere.
It is
vibe.
more expensive than other parts of the Philippines, but you're going to expect that wherever you see tourists. So, I mean, when I say expensive, that meal last night cost us like £5. For like my meal was £5, so it's not crazy. However, we got a meal the other day where we both got a meal and a drink for £5, so in comparison. There's so many little kids. All the little kids playing in the water is so cute. It's like this every night. Now we paid 16 pesos for 2 ice creams.
That meal was 800 total.
With 2 drinks.
Yeah. So not too bad really.
We didn't realise it was a vegan, vegetarian one. So she asked us if we wanted our bolognese even vegan or vegetarian, and we were like,
meat.
With meat? But to be fair, it was very nice.
The tofu was like mixed into the sauce, so it was good.
They could have just called it tomato pasta.
Yeah.
There's loads of little bars along the beach. Honestly, it's not too busy, but I'm sure it's picking back up again, so yeah.